Businesses looking to advertise will often commission a printing company to produce a large poster or banner. The quality of large format printing is better than ever, thanks to digital technology. Commercial equipment can typically print a banner up to 16 feet high by 150 feet wide. If the required size is larger, it's printed in sections, then joined together. A pre-press technician preps the client's design for printing, adjusting colors, sectioning, and adding a bleed. This is a blank border around the design because the machines can't print all the way to the edge. Then it's time to load a roll-to-roll printing machine with weather-resistant vinyl mesh. They feed the leading edge of the roll into the machine and pull it through the output end. This aligns the vinyl so that the printing won't come out crooked. They slip a cardboard tube over the roller, which will receive the printed vinyl and tape on the leading edge. If this job required printing on a rigid material, they'd be using a flatbed printer rather than the roll-to-roll. Both machines print with inkjet technology, similar to a home computer printer. However, rather than using dye-based inks, they're typically solvent-based. They're designed to withstand outdoor conditions for 3 to 5 years. The machine uses the standard inkjet colors: black, yellow, cyan, and magenta. It also includes light cyan and light magenta to provide additional shade variations. The machine has 12 print heads, 2 per color. Each head has 256 nozzles. Once daily, they're put through a full cleaning procedure to prevent clogging. The print head moves back and forth across the vinyl. The computer guides the individual nozzles to deposit dots of ink at specific spots. All those colored dots together form the printed design. The first 6 inches the machine prints are a color bar test to make sure that every nozzle is working properly. The printing of the actual design follows. The printed vinyl banner exits the machine and winds around the receiving roller. Then they mount the roll onto another machine, which trims off the excess vinyl and the bleed with rotary blades. When the banner is comprised of sections, workers connect them. First they align the edges, then they bind the joint temporarily with masking tape. They flick a switch to project laser lines, which indicate the width and center of the weld. The weld will permanently connect the sections on the reverse side. Turning the banner face down, workers align the joint with the center line. A magnetic strip secures the banner to the table to prevent it from shifting, and a vacuum pulls the banner taut. At the same time, a hot air welder fuses the joint with heat-activated adhesive tape. Then they flip the banner face up again and remove the temporary tape. The last step is to reinforce the perimeter with webbing, the material used for seatbelts. This gives the banner a nice finished edge. It also creates a strong border in which to secure grommets for hanging the banner. Workers apply the grommets manually with a pneumatic press. A banner typically has a grommet every 24 inches, plus 3 in each corner. To hang the banner, you run bungee cords through the grommets, pull taut, then hook the ends to plates affixed to the building facade. A few screws for reinforcement, and you're done. Wind passes right through the tiny holes of the vinyl mesh, so the banner doesn't billow.